In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young shepherd named Leo. Leo was known far and wide for his radiant smile and cheerful demeanor. But what truly set him apart was his unshakable contentment. While the other villagers chased after fleeting joys, Leo seemed to find happiness in the simplest of things. One day, a wise traveler named Elora arrived in the village. She had journeyed across vast lands seeking wisdom, and she was intrigued by the tales of Leo's unwavering happiness. Elora approached Leo and asked, "Young shepherd, what is the secret to your joy?" Leo, his eyes twinkling, replied, "I believe happiness is like a butterfly. The more you chase it, the more it eludes you. Instead, I've learned to appreciate the meadows, the warm sun, and the breeze that rustles the leaves. When I stop chasing happiness, it seems to settle on my shoulder." Elora was taken aback by Leo's words. She had met kings and scholars, all searching for elusive happiness. But here, in the heart of a village, she found a simple shepherd who held the key. She pondered Leo's wisdom as he continued his daily routine, tending to his sheep and finding joy in the rhythm of life. Elora realized that Leo had discovered that the pursuit of happiness was not a grand adventure, but a mindful appreciation of life's everyday moments. As Elora bid farewell to the village, she carried with her a lesson that transcended her travels. The greatest happiness was not in chasing after extravagant dreams, but in finding contentment in the present. And so, Leo's story became a tale shared by many, a reminder that happiness isn't a distant goal. It's a delicate butterfly that rests on the shoulder of those who learn to savor life's simple beauty.